Just let it be, not be worried about him. Next time you know the truth, I think he's just the man for you.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is Christmas Eve actually, which is so weird. Anyways, I just did my workout, and you guys, I made overnight oats and they taste so freaking good. I'm just eating it now. It's kind of cold, so I'm waiting for it to just like, it's so freaking good. It tastes like dessert, honestly. But you guys, this is 24th of December and I have nothing planned for Christmas. I have no idea what I'm going to do. I'm here by myself, but there are a few things I want to like try to get done today. So that's really what the MO is. Guys, my battery cut off, it's about to die, so let me just quickly tell you guys what I have on my to-do list. I want to try to take down my hair and wash it. I have no idea what style I want to do. I want to go to the store and quickly get some butter and like toppings. I want to bake banana bread. Maybe later in the evening I'll go hang out with my friend. I'm not sure yet, but that's pretty much it that I have on my list. It's almost 12 noon, so I need to get going, you guys. Wish me luck.
Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so.
Say hi. Robert. It's so heavy. Drinking too much. Just regular Oreos. Yeah, I can use that one. This is fine. What else? I'm honestly thinking, I feel like there's something else I'm forgetting. How's Kai drink on your tab? You can have a drink, it's fine. This is gonna dance. Why are you like this? No! I want to get butter on my drink. Should I get two? I should get one. I think I should just get two. So if he's drunk, this is what highness looks like. This is the face of high. Hi. Hi.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we're falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just.
So I'm about to prep my overnight oats. I'm just gonna be using what's left of this to make the two. Oats are literally done, but that's enough. Oats are actually really high in calories. A lot of people don't know that. They think it's healthy, so they're gonna be eating a lot. Now I'm gonna add my chia seeds. I'll do 1 tablespoon each of chia seeds. I'm gonna add my Greek yogurt. I don't really measure the Greek yogurt. I just do like a spoonful. For the other one. I'm just gonna put my fruits. Use just 1 banana because I don't want too many of that. And some apples, strawberries. It looks so good right now, like with the different colors. I'm going to add a bit of honey just for sweetness. This is like raw natural honey. I don't really like honey, so I only add a little. I find that these natural honeys, if I use too much, they like make my belly hurt, so I don't really like to use too much of it. And then last but not least, I'm gonna add in this almond milk. That's just going to be my like liquid of choice. I don't measure this either. I just kind of pour until it covers up the fruits. That's basically how I make my overnight oats. I'm just going to cover it up with the lid and then shake them and put it in the fridge, and my breakfast is ready whenever I'm ready to like eat. Perfect. And it tastes so freaking good. Like, I think it's the taste for me. And you guys know the chia seeds will like soak up all of the water and it will become like thick like a pudding. So it's so, like, honestly, it's just so good. You have to try it. So yeah, that's it. That's how I make my overnight oats. Alright you guys, so I'm ready. We're going to go see a movie. I just want to show you guys my outfit. It's really basic. I'm not yet wearing my sandals. They're downstairs, so I'll wear them on my way out. But yeah, this is the outfit I settled for. I wanted something baggy because you know you can get cold like in the cinema sometimes. So yes, I found jewelry to put in my nose piercing because I lost the other one and it's just been empty, and I was low-key scared it was going to close. Nose piercings are so weird, but yeah you guys, this is it. My hair, I did a little like claw clip hairstyle. I don't know if you guys can see, but I think it's cute. I might let it down later on at the movies or something, depending on where we go after, but I don't really know. So yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs and cut a slice of banana bread for AB, and I'm going to be out of the door because we're late. Okay, bye. You guys, so this is what the bread looks like. I just took it out of the pan. I'm about to just quickly cut it up and put it in a Ziploc bag for AB so I can head out because I'm really late. I broke my nail earlier. I don't know if you guys can see. Anyways, yeah, that's what it looks like, and I know it's gonna taste good because I've made this a million times. Okay. You guys, I'm at AB's house. She couldn't find a ride, unfortunately. I think because it's Christmas or something. The worst part now is that we've missed the time for the first movie that we wanted to watch. So right now, I have no idea what we're actually going to watch. No, I guess when we get to the cinema, we'll figure it out. I'm just parked outside of her house. I already told her that I'm outside, so kind of waiting for her to get here. But yeah. I guess I'll see you guys when we get to the cinema. Guys, look at my breakfast. Good morning. I didn't film myself making it, but it looks so good. I made oatmeal banana pancakes, so I didn't put like actual flour. It's just oatmeal, bananas, and eggs. I was actually filming like a reel or a TikTok. I'm not sure which one, so that was why I couldn't record it for you guys, but it looks so good. I also made that with some iced coffee. You guys know I love coffee, but I've been trying to stay away from coffee because of my whole like health journey. But yeah, today I was craving coffee, so I made an iced coffee, and yeah, this is my breakfast. It looks so flipping good, you guys. Just sprinkled some honey on it just for sweetness because I didn't put any sugar, and then these are just like strawberries that I used as a garnish. But yeah, that's basically my breakfast. I'm about to go eat now and probably like watch a show or something. So yeah. You're a star in my head. Raise war with my friends. True, you're so bad when I need to be down, but I don't want war with you or my friend. You're my lady, you're my lady. He said you probably can party, yeah. We got you, Alright you guys, so I've been home all day. Today's the day after Boxing Day and it's a holiday as well, so I haven't really been doing much. Yesterday, you guys, I was so freaking tired that I slept like literally the whole day, and today has been kind of like a lazy day for me as well. The only thing that I did my laundry, and I was folding it up. I've just been in bed watching a show, editing some of my videos that I haven't edited. That's pretty much it, you guys. This year my major goal is to start implementing my like 2023 goals before the year actually ends. Like, you know how people have New Year resolutions? I feel like it's best to actually start it before the new year, instead of saying oh, next year I'm gonna do this, next year I'm gonna do that. So I've really been trying to do that with myself. I really want to try my best to be my most disciplined self, you guys. Fingers crossed. But yeah, so that's basically what I've been doing. So the rest of the day I'm just gonna keep lounging, finish arranging my laundry, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. I'm not sure what it's gonna turn out like, but yeah, I really hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you haven't as well, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you missed my vlogs. Let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see from me and things like that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.